I'll check for updates for the Messenger app on your Windows PC. Keeping your apps updated ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. Let's get started. If Messenger has an available update, you'll see an Update button next to it. Just click it to install the latest version. Want to avoid manual updates? You can enable automatic updates. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Settings and toggle on App Updates. This way, Messenger and other apps will update automatically. If you don't see an update but suspect your app is outdated, try uninstalling and reinstalling Messenger. Just right-click the app in the Start menu, select Uninstall, then reinstall it from the Microsoft Store to get the latest version. After updating, open Messenger and go to Settings and Help and Support to check your app version. Compare it with the latest version on the official Messenger website to confirm you're up to date. And that's it. Now you know how to keep your Messenger app updated on Windows. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.